warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Faiza Khanam from grade 5. Today, I'm standing in front of you to present a seminar on the topic Our Constitution. Do you know what is Constitution? Constitution is a set of principles and laws that the government of a country has to obey. Do you all know who is he? Yes, he is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who wrote our Constitution. And this is the book of Constitution, where all the rules and regulations of our country are given. Every government has rules based on which functions these rules are given in the Constitution. India too has a constitution. The Constituent Assembly was set up in India in 1946 to create the Indian Constitution. The head of draft committee and the chairman of our Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and important leaders such as Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Jawaharlal Nehru. In India, everyone has the right to follow any religion. All religions are treated equally. According to our Constitution, we should be treated equally. We cannot treat someone based whether they are man or woman or what religion they belong to. The law is equal for all of us. We can see justice if we are treated wrongly. Do you all know what is justice? Justice, treating everyone fairly under established rules and laws. In India, everyone has the freedom to say what they want to express their thoughts. So this was called a constitution. Jazakallahu khairan.
MashaAllah, Takbir. Jazakallah sister for your relevant information.
ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕಲಿಯುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಡಿ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಜೀವನ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಕಲಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಜಾಕಲ್ಲಾಹು ಖೈರ್.